not that I don't want you here.
Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you are new. If you like what you see here, please feel free to subscribe and join the family. And welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Now, before we get into today's video, I would just like to take a moment to send my thoughts and prayers out to those who have been affected by the Buffalo shooting recently. This is really getting out of hand. Acts like this is really getting out of hand, and I pray for everyone's safety, because at this point you never know what could happen, where it could happen, or when it could happen. Make sure that you always check on your luck. So today's video is going to be kind of a bittersweet moment for me, because I will be removing my waist beads. Now, if it was up to me, I would keep my waist beads on, because I had them on for a little bit over a year. They still look good. But as some of you may know, I am 6 months pregnant and they've gotten a little tighter. And so today I'm going to be removing them and replacing them with new waist beads. So if that is something that you're going to be interested in seeing, please stay tuned. So yes, guys, I'm not sure if many of you guys know, because I haven't really talked about my pregnancy that much on this channel. I think I mentioned it once in one of my previous videos, but I am 6 months, a little over 6 months pregnant, and my waist beads has been going strong the entire duration of my pregnancy. But as now I'm a little bit bigger and they have rolled all the way up to my ribs, and they are starting to become a little uncomfortable. So I will be removing them today, and I will be replacing them with 3 new waist beads. These waist beads that I will show you in a moment can be purchased on my website, Bangles.com. So if you like the ones that I am wearing or the ones that I'm going to replace them with, be sure to check out the website and you can purchase them there. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into the baby bump. Here is my cute little 6-month baby bump. That's how she's looking. That's how we looking. And here are my current waist beads. Now they are up high, as you can tell. When I sit down, they go up a little further, and they're in my ribs. And sometimes after I eat, they are completely under my boobs. So I definitely have to cut them off and remove them and replace them. I have on 4 strands here, and I'm going to replace them with 3 strands. So this is how we're looking. I do have a little space still here, but I don't want to keep pushing it because I got to be able to breathe, y'all. So here's what we're looking at. So we're going to start the process of cutting these off. I have all the knots facing the front. I'm going to take my scissors here. I'm going to cut this off. And there we go. And this is how we are looking. It kind of looks really weird to me to see myself without waist beads, because like I said, I had those on for over a year, and prior to that I was still wearing different variations of other waist beads that I made. I don't think I've seen my bare stomach, waist, and abdomen in so long. My baby bump, so cute. These are going to be the waist beads that I'm going to replace them with. We have Calm, excitement, and freedom. And like I mentioned before, these will all be available on my website, and I'll leave a link below so you can check that out. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to be putting on is Calm. So it's a combination of this light blue and dark blue and gold. I absolutely love these colors combination. And this one is manifesting calmness and stillness. And I'm hoping that my baby is a boy, and no, I don't know the sex yet. So this also represents me wanting a baby boy. So we're gonna go ahead and tie this one on first. Just wanna start from the back. And our waist beads measure approximately 60 inches, so it's definitely adaptable for bigger sizes as well. So I'm going to take it to about where we want it, and I'm going to measure it a tad bit bigger, about that much, because I want to give it room to move up and down as I get bigger throughout my pregnancy. So I'm just going to push the excess beads out the way. And I'm going to wrap it twice. Hold it taut. And then knot it. So, and then I'm going to knot it one more time. Like that. And then I'm going to take the scissors. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. Now at this point you could go ahead and burn it. I'm not going to burn it because I am clumsy and I don't want to burn my baby. So I like how loose it is. It fits on my belly. No problem. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? The next one I'm going to go ahead and tie on is Freedom. Freedom is this combination of green, black, and gold. I'm going to go ahead and tie that on. And I wanted this one to be a little bit snugger so it can sit above my belly button here. So that's what we're looking like now. Okay, So the last one that I'm going to tie on is this pink and baby blue one here that is called Excitement. This one is definitely representing like the gender girl and boy, because like I said, as of right now, I don't know the gender of the baby. I'm hoping for a boy, so I'm glad that it's mostly blue instead of pink, but it also has the pink in there just in case it happens to be a girl. Either way, I'll be happy, but I'm hoping for a boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this one on as well. Okay, you guys, and now that I have Excitement on, we are all set. And I like how I got them spaced out as more of a stacked look as opposed to before where they were kind of just all over each other. I love how that looked and how this looks and how that turned out. So what are you thinking? Do you like it? Do you like it? Alright guys, these are the 4 that I cut off before. It looks so weird seeing them in my hands and not on my body. But I'm going to keep these. I'm going to add them to my little container here. I might, once I have the baby and lose some of the weight, I might actually just reattach them, because as you can see, they're not coming off of the thread. So I might add extra thread to it and just reattach them. Or I might make a couple of anklets out of these. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to my collection. And then also, these are the excess pieces to the waist beads that I just put on. And I'm going to actually make some anklets out of these. I'm going to actually make anklets out of these because when I tie on waist beads, I usually like to add the excess as anklets, so it could be a way of me matching the ones that I have on currently. So, and I just like to accessorize them a little extra. I'm a fly girl, so that's what we do. Fly girls like to accessorize. We like bracelets, necklaces, the earrings, even though I'm not wearing any right now. We like to accessorize our bodies, so I'm going to definitely take those and turn those into anklets. If you guys would like to see a video of me doing that, leave me a comment down below and I will definitely get that out for you guys. But in the meantime, that's all I have for you for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, all of the waist beads that I am wearing and I removed have came from my website. So if you are interested in purchasing them, I will definitely leave the website link as well as the discount code down in the description box below for you to check that out. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already. And don't forget to like and share, and I will catch you guys in my next video.